Hello and welcome back, everyone, to episode 7 of my trip around the north of the Netherlands. I decided to nip into Groningen for a spot of lunch rather than surviving on rice and tin sardines. Stopped off to have a look at a 13th century bell tower. And these houses, these enormous barns, I imagine they kept livestock, and then it's fairly traditional, it seems, around here with the farmhouse bolted on the front. I'm being instructed to go. There's some road works. I've got to go down the Fietspad, I think he said. Words to that effect. Digging for a pot of gold. So we go down here, and then I imagine I can go back over here again. So I got two-man control. Here we are, the queue. The Netherlands produces a lot of food. In fact, it probably overproduces food. Certainly, I know they've got problems with their livestock producing a bit too much waste. It was lovely cycling past huge fields of potatoes, so you could smell the scent in the air. So you see some barley and what the Americans would call corn, or we call maize, sweet corn. Corn in English is a generic term for grain. And I think that must be some sort of leaf beet, I think. You get to see some large boats on some of these canals. You can see here that I'm almost below the water line, but it's an excellent way of shifting heavy stuff about without damaging your roads. I decided to visit the railway station a day early. I don't know what the drill is for catching trains and putting your bikes on trains in the Netherlands. So I went to the main railway station, which you can see is being revamped, just to see what platform I needed to be on and where I needed to stick my bike. It's a lovely ornate railway station. The chap here with the dark trousers looked highly suspicious. Don't know if he was loitering with intent, who knows. I think this is Soup House Street, the translation. I just wandered about, taking in the city, looking for a nice place to stop and have a bite to eat and just chill. You can see here that the land is a lot higher than the water. I found the perfect place to stop, watch the swing bridge opening, just people watch for a bit. I ordered myself a nice cool beer, and I have to say this was probably the best bruschetta I've ever had. Perhaps I was just hungry, but it really was very good. And then my return back to the campsite, back down the main large canal, makes for easy route finding. So please join me for episode 8. I think we've got one more day of pootling about, and then it's the final day. Please make sure you like and subscribe. We're nearly to the 500 mark, so thanks ever so much for watching, and look forward to you joining me again soon.